Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to set the deployment name in Oracle Linux 8 operating system. So what does a deployment name means? In software development lifecycle there are many phases, okay, development, testing, production, like that. So in each phase developers will be using many environments, okay, development environment, testing and production environment. Many environment will be there. So we can set that environment using this command. So hostname ctl set hyphen deployment is the command. So you can give the environment name development. Okay, so these are some predefined names: development, staging, production. Okay, so I am giving the deployment name as development. So you can see that deployment as development. Okay, so this is the development computer. Okay, you can change or reset this deployment name. Okay, so now I will show you how to clear this deployment name. Empty string, that's it. So this will clear the deployment name, which means it will delete the deployment name. Okay, so I don't want to delete the deployment name. I will put back some other value because I want to know what type of machine, whether it is a development box, staging box, or whether it is a production box. So I am putting as a staging box. Yes, so you can see that deployment name is back.